Hello everybody, welcome back to Gamers Tech. So guys, in this video I'm going to unbox a USB Wi-Fi adapter from TP-Link. I purchased this from Amazon for around 1200 Indian rupees. The model number is AC600 Archer T2U Plus. So it got delivered today, so let us see what is inside the box. It comes with 3 years of warranty and it supports both Windows operating system as well as Mac operating system, and it is also a dual band Wi-Fi adapter, means it will support both 2.4 GHz as well as 5 GHz. So let's unbox it. So inside the box, first we get a driver installation CD, then we get user guide, and finally the USB Wi-Fi adapter itself. It comes with a very powerful 5 dBi antenna, and it's pretty small compared to my hand. It's not that much of a big adapter, but it's quite handy. So guys, if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, comment down below and share this video. Also newcomers, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get future notification from me. See you in the next video and stay tuned until then.